Hello mga mi! Meron na naman tayong job opening for bookkeepers and accountants. These are all beginner friendly. Yes, they are all entry levels, permanent work from home. So ito yung una mga mi. So pupunta ka lang sa Facebook ko, Alex US Accountant. And then yung first is entry level accountant. Tapos date posted Feb 7. Job type full-time, 40 hours per week, starting $6 per hour. Company is direct client and then location is work from home. Apply directly through this link. So i-click mo lang to, then dito ka mag-apply. Ang requirements lang niya ay college degree in accounting or any business course. No experience is required. So I have a tips. So number 1, you can use my free optimized resume template for bookkeepers. Nasa bio siya ng YouTube ko. So i-click mo lang to. And then I also have my second tip na aralin mo yung real estate sa allison.com if you don't have any knowledge or if you don't have any experience sa real estate, aralin mo na siya sa allison.com para mailagay mo siya sa page 1 ng resume mo. Okay, just a disclaimer, I'm not connected to this job. I'm just reposting this for better reach. And then no PM is needed. So ito yung actual job posting sa online job sa PH. Ayan, so apply mo siya. So sinamarize ko lang yung nilagay niya dito. So sabi niya dito, requirements, college degree in accounting or business. Okay, so kung bubuksan mo to, ayan, ganyan siya. So open pa siya, hindi pa siya close. So apply mo siya, Feb 7, mainit-init pa siya. Ayan, so apply mo na siya, Mi. Okay, yung ating second opening, ayan, ito siya, job hiring entry-level bookkeeper, date posted February 6. Job type part-time, 5 hours per week. Ayan, very part-time siya. Then salary is to be discussed. Company's direct client, work from home. So i-click mo lang to apply. Okay, requirements, QuickBooks Online skills or trained. So pwedeng training lang. Kasi ito parang binasa ko kasi siya, ang simple lang. Oh. Sabi niya, bookkeeper for QuickBooks Online for real estate investor company must have real estate accounting experience. So kailangan meron kang experience sa real estate. Okay? Ayan, so apply ka na dito. Again, my tip is to use my free optimized resume template for bookkeepers. The third one is date posted February 6, entry-level bookkeeper assistant. So ang salary niya is $5, $200 to $500. This is part-time, 15 hours per week. Company direct, and then work from home. So mag-apply ka sa link na to, and then yun. So ito yung gagawin mo, ito yung responsibilities, ganyan. Okay, and meron pang isa, last one, entry-level remote bookkeeper QBO, US bookkeeping firm specializing in real estate, and then work from home, full-time based on experience. Ayan, salary is based on experience. Date posted is February 7. Requirements is QuickBooks Online experience, 1 year minimum is required. So yun, meron akong tips dito. Aralin mo ulit yung real estate sa allison.com kapag wala ka pang experience or knowledge para pag tinanong ka sa interview and para may mailagay ka sa